probably due to a natural, it's part of a natural variability and a part of this 50 to 80 year mode of variability. If that is so, then you have hope. Then in the next couple of decades, maybe it will come back. So this is one good reason. The bad news is that the projections are all unreliable. And therefore, we can't trust any of this projection. And multimodal model of which we are using for AR5 and IP60 and so on, the multimodal model ensemble mean is not reliable over monsoon region because of some very fundamental problems of how the rain is produced in the model. So therefore, that is a big problem. So we are stuck. We really don't know what will happen to rainfall 2 to 3 decades ahead of time. But the fact that there is a multi-decadal mode of variability gives us a hope that there is a decadal predictability. We may be able to predict, because it is a global coupled ocean atmosphere mode, we should be able to predict monsoon up to about 2 decades in advance. But the scale of the decadal predictability will be governed, will be somewhat low because of the broadband nature of this mode. So therefore, we have some good news, but we also have some bad news. We have to work very hard in building model which will produce, which will actually produce a monsoon which is distribution of monsoon rainfall for the right reason. And it should be able to simulate the decreasing trend in the recent years, the biennial tendency, and spatial distribution. And if that is so, then we can use that one model to make projections. And that, in my opinion, that will be more reliable than others. With that, I will stop and thank you.